Why, hello there. It is I, Nia, back with the second video this month, which is totally wild. Yeah, so today we're gonna be making brownies. Before I begin, I would just like to say that if my culinary arts teacher is watching this, I'm sorry. I'm about to throw away every single skill that I learned in your class, so. I've made this recipe before. It's pretty tasty. Pretty tasty. I need a bowl. I forgot about that part. Bowl acquired. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. Oh. That's fine. So I have an apron. That's me. And yeah, welcome to my kitchen, by the way. You've been here once before if you watched the cream puff video, but that wasn't like this kind of video, so. And then the pièce de résistance. The pièce de résistance. The hat. Are you ready? It's time to get professional, guys. I'm ready. All right, so butter. Always good. Tasty. Delicious. Add that bad boy. So this is also kind of a 7 subscriber special, you know, kind of a big deal.
Hey, so editing Nia here. Fun fact, between recording this video like 2 days ago and now editing, I have 9 subscribers, not 7 subscribers. So every time you hear me say, oh, 7 subscribers, just ignore that and replace it with a 9 because, yeah. All right, back to the video.
You may not know this, but YouTube does have a play button for 7 subscribers. It's called the Dirt play button. It's not very well known, and I haven't gotten mine yet, but YouTube, I'm waiting. All right, so we got butter. I just realized I need more sugar because I don't have brown sugar, so I'm gonna have to use double the amount of white sugar. I'm gonna add this, and then I'll be back with more sugar. I return with more sugar. There we go. A whole cup of sugar, guys. That's a lot. Don't need that. Next, eggs. So I had one egg pre-cracked, and then I realized I have this super cool skill that isn't really that cool, but I think it's cool, so I'm gonna show you guys. And I may screw it up, and if so, okay, you ready? I can crack an egg with one hand. Oh no, maybe I can't. Usually I do it better than that. That just involved me kind of crushing the egg with my hand. But hey, it's a skill. All right, I do not have vanilla extract. So we're gonna use maple syrup. I almost said sugar there, not the same thing. Maple syrup, because that's what the internet says works as a replacement. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of a, whoop, there we go. That's about half a teaspoon. Give or take a teaspoon. And now, I believe we whisk. I have a wide variety of whisks. Well, usually I have 3, but today I only have 2. But today I'm gonna use the big red one because it feels like a big red whisk kind of day. Do a little bit of whisk. It has been mixed. And now, okay, now we stir in the flour and cocoa powder, and we're gonna do something super cool, guys. I've said that a few times, but this time it's true. We're sifting. All right, here's my cocoa powder and flour. Oh, a little bit of a waft of powder. Oh, I also have so now our salt and espresso powder, which don't try that. Anyway, now we add the salt and espresso powder. Whew. Fun flavor. Now stir until just combined. Which one should I use, guys? I'm gonna use one of these. I'm gonna use green one. Match the bowl, right? You didn't see that. You didn't see anything. Got some chocolate that I'm going to add. Because brownies, they need some chocolate in it. What would a brownie be without chocolate? A little extra chocolate never hurt no one. Now, the chocolate. It says to save some for like sprinkle on top, so okay. Now we fold. And now it's mixed. It's time for the pan. We have a pan. Woo! Double spatula time! I believe our double spatula method has worked. Don't need this. Bye-bye. The rest of the chocolate. This is how the real chefs do it. They go as far up as possible and just exactly like that. Don't look that up. I'm right. I'm always right. Okay, now the oven is preheated. It is time for these to bake. I suppose you will see the finished product. So, all right, into the oven it goes. Okay, and while we're at a brief intermission here, I feel like this is a good chance to bring up. You should do that. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my mess and you guys get to see the finished brownies, so should I do a cool transition thing where I'm like editing Nia, see if you can do something with that. It is brownie time, my dudes. Okay, second time's a charm. I've made this recipe before, so I know how long it's supposed to bake because I'm an expert like that. Yeah, so I don't think I need to stab it or anything. I will once I take it out, but like, I think it's fine. Alrighty, guys. Oh. I have a multitude of toothpicks. Yeah, let's stab it. Okay, it's either still raw or that's the chocolate. There's a good chance that that's the chocolate. So about me being a master, I think I'm gonna just put it in for another minute. Let me just forget this ever happened and put it back in. Good thing I left the oven on, right? So in that minute, oh, I guess thank you. I know I joked about it at the beginning, but thank you seriously, the 7 of you that subscribed. Pretty sure I know who all of you are, and most of you go to my school, so thanks guys, I really appreciate it. So also, I have Instagram and TikTok now, because why not? So you should go follow that. The words of Jarvis Johnson, always be plugging. Also do that. Okay, we got 13 seconds left, guys. I don't know any good jokes. Oh, why don't you want to crush a soda can? It's so depressing. Yeah, it's looking rather crispy around the edges, so I'm gonna call that good. We can do a little stabby stab again to see what we should do, but I think that's fine. You know what? I'll just let it sit for a while in the pan, and then I think it'll be fine. I'm not gonna do a taste test because I think we all know what brownies taste like. Unless you don't, in which case, I'm sorry. Yep, there they are. Yeah, I guess it's the end of the video then. Thank you guys for watching and I guess for subscribing, the 7 of you. Please feel free to like and subscribe, and I might start posting more regularly too, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one, I guess.